How to transfer money from Cash App to bank. First things first, we need to make sure your bank is actually connected. Open up Cash App and tap your little profile icon up here in the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and tap Linked Banks. From here, just hit Link Bank. It's going to tell you it uses Plaid to keep everything secure, so just hit Continue. Find your bank on the list, log in like you normally would, and authenticate it. Once you're done, you'll see your bank pop right up in the Linked Banks menu. Easy enough, right? Now for the fun part, getting your money. Go back to your main screen. Right under your cash balance, you'll see two buttons, Add Cash and Cash Out. Go ahead and tap Cash Out. You don't have to move all of it if you don't want to. Just use this slider right here to dial in the exact amount you want to send over to your bank. Once you've picked your number, hit that green Cash Out button at the bottom. All right, you've got two choices here. If you aren't in a rush, choose Standard. It's completely free, and the money will hit your account in a couple of days. But if you need it right this second, tap Instant. Just keep in mind that Cash App takes a small fee for the speed upgrade. Make your pick, confirm it with your PIN, and boom, you're all set. The money is officially on its way to your bank. If this helped you out, do me a solid and hit that like button. See you in the next one.